So good morning guys, meron ulit kaming event dito sa Ayala West Group. So bali pangatlong beses na tayo nag-set up dito, no? Same client. So December 8 ngayon nakapag-set up na kami. Pakita natin yung ating setup. So guys, and as usual, dito tayo kumuha ng ating power supply sa kanilang breaker. Ayan. Provide tayo ng isang extension na magsi. Ito yun. So from here, ito yung boot natin sa table. Ito yung isang speaker. So ito, diretso dun. Papunta dun sa ating table, laptop, mixer, at saka isang speaker na nakakonekta. Ito naman, isang speaker nakakonekta. Ayan. Siguro dito ako magsasaksak ng ilaw mamaya. Tinakpan lang muna namin kasi baka masaksakan ng iba. So ito isang speaker. Ano lang to, naka 2 o'clock lang to. 2 o'clock yung volume lang. So patakbo ng wire XLR dun. Lumusot ako doon kanina. Ayan. Ito yung ating table. Dito tayo nag-table sa pinakagilid para hindi tayo maka-istorbo sa kanila. Nice! Ayan. Ito yung isang speaker sa kabila. Gamit natin yung maliit na mixer Alto CMX12 2FX usual Numark controller DMX, dalawang mic, tinapay just in case na kaming gutom, bawas na nga eh. Ayan, kumain na. Ayan, nag-ayos pa sila ng kanilang backdrop. So ayun yung ating front light COB. Lapitan natin. So dito sa front light, dito lang tayo kumuha ng power dito sa outlet. Tapos tatlo lang yan. Address niyan ay A017. Tapos itong wireless. Okay, nakatutok lang yan dyan sa mga logo sa taas. So hindi pa natin binubuksan kasi mainit. So all set na kami. Mamaya maglalagay kami ng 4 na ilaw dyan sa background nila. Tapusin muna natin yung ating designer bago natin ilagay yung ating 4 na ilaw. So all set na kami. Hintay lang kami ng oras. So ito yung setup ng stage na may ilaw na. Nilagay kami lang 4. Ito yung isa. Ito yung isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. At saka 4. Yan. Patay siya dyan. Yan.
Alright, so once again, good afternoon everyone, and thank you for coming here today to celebrate Diana's first birthday party. So once again, while waiting for the other guests to come, alright, so to all the guests, if you would like to have some food cart, alright, so we have a lot of food cart like Little Wasabi Sushi Bar, Little Orchid City Donuts, birthday cart, popcorn, quick, and hot dogs and French fries, beer, brew, milk tea, and the family that brought us all together for this wonderful occasion. Put your hands for Hernandez family. Hey! Daddy Dana, Daddy Joy, together with the birthday celebrant, Alright, everybody clap your hands. Once again, clap your hands. Yay! Happy birthday. And now, look at the camera and give a big smile. Okay, ready? 1, 2, and... Louder! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Now with clappings with energy, come on, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, so mama and daddy, tulungan natin mag-blow ng candles sa Diana. In 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, so everybody clap your hands for the birthday family and for our popcorn, hot dog, French fries, quack food cart, quirky cart. Thank you so much for our catering service. Ayan, Purpose Catering, and if you need host, magician, puppeteer, any kinds of events, pwede niyo pong kontakin yung Dan, the Magician. For our quality sounds and lights, Silang Cavite Lights and Sounds. Thank you so much. And sa ating photo booth,